Hey everybody, welcome back with a new video. I'm Jamie and this is Film Empire. Welcome back to the second part in the series on how to create this ghost effect. In this video, we'll continue where we left off last time. We'll be adding the main effect now. Go ahead and add a grade layer to the shot. Effects added to a grade layer will apply to all layers below, so that is what we'll use. We'll be masking the grade layer, so to see what we're working with, I apply the fill color effect to it and lower the opacity a bit. Now we'll be masking out the body. I start with a rough mask around the upper body. I set the expansion, feather strength and roundness all to 40 pixels. I now keyframe the position so that the mask follows the body. For the mask around the head, I'll use the ellipse tool. Here I set the expansion and feather strength to 40 pixels but not the roundness. I again keyframe the position of this mask. We won't be needing the fill color effect anymore, so I turn it off. I will not delete it as we might need to make adjustments in the future. We can now add the energy distortion effect. I set the distortion to 15 pixels, the scale to 75 pixels, the diffusion bias to 0 and the diffusion strength to 20. If you do not have the destruction pack, create a new composite shot and call it fractal. I add a new plane layer to the composite shot and apply the fractal noise effect to it. Set the type to energy and go to the transform panel. Once there, set the scale to something way smaller like 60. Now go to the appearance panel and set the offset to something lower so that the shot becomes darker. You can now go ahead and add the fractal composite shot to your main shot. Add it underneath all other layers. You can even turn it off if you want to. Now add the displacement effect to the grade layer. Set the source layer to the fractal comp and set both displacement drop-downs to luminance. When we play the shot now, nothing seems to happen, and that is because the fractal noise does not move. Go to the seed property of the fractal noise effect and keyframe it to change it over time. You can now go back to the main comp and fiddle around with the displacement values to get the effect you desire. And that is how we get energy displacement without the destruction pack. That was it for this episode. Make sure to check out the last episode in this short series to finalize the effect. So definitely check out part 3 using the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Hi there, thanks for watching. Click here to see my latest video, click here to see a highlighted one, and click here to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.